Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Backyard Garage. Today we are going to continue putting up the walls and then we'll just kind of see where it goes from there. Possibly paint, maybe the floor, I'm not sure. But stick around and let's see what's going on. So I'm coming out of my shop and I got all the wood pieces pretty much cut for the lower unit. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock. It's pretty dark out. It's supposed to rain. It's sprinkling right now. So let me come in here and get back to work. I'm gonna set y'all up on my tripod and then I will get to getting on putting the putting the rest of these walls in. So give me a sec. Well, it actually started to rain, and unfortunately it's really loud in here, so I'm just going to do my best to film. But I got all the walls in. The only thing left is the ceiling. I ran out of screws, so I wasn't able to screw it all down. The next step is to go get some more screws, finish up screwing in the lower, and then I'm going to start working on the ceiling. So I might or might not film that, depending on who helps me with that. If my father-in-law helps me with it, I don't know if he's going to want to be on camera. If my wife helps me with that, then yeah, I'll most likely film it. But yeah, this is where we're at. So it's looking really good. I'm loving it. And it's really good to know, since it is pouring, it is actually waterproof in here. And I'm thrilled. I couldn't be more happy with it. So yeah, there we are. Well, I got the ceiling in here. As you just saw, I was really screwing around with that. I got so frustrated because I couldn't get by myself, so I just kind of quit. And then, yeah, I just went ahead and got it all up in myself. Last thing I gotta do here is I gotta get some insulation up in there. So I went with like a batt fiberglass insulation. I'll just stuff as much as I can up in there. And then that should hopefully, yeah, get that nice and insulated. And then from there, we will see what's next, so let me get on it. Alrighty, and she is all done. Now the only thing I gotta do is I gotta trim. So is what I'm thinking of. I'll just put some, maybe like 1x2 trim to cover that gap. A little gap up there, but a piece of 1x2 will cover that gap as well. And I'll just cover all these little gaps that I do have. So yeah, not too bad. I'm pretty happy about what this is looking like. I can't really complain much. So the next thing that I want to do is, after I put the trim up, then we're going to go ahead and start painting. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at. So not much to do for today, except for call it a day. And then I'll go get some paint and some trim, and hopefully start on that. Alrighty, so there we go. So now we have everything all vacuumed out and cleaned out. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I am going to start putting in the flooring. So let me get started on that. Alrighty, so it is the next day here, and as you can see, I got the floor all completed. My camera kind of died when I got up over there, but that's okay. You guys get the gist of what I did. But this is what the floor in the camper is looking like. Man, I'm super happy about how this turned out. It looks really good, so I can't complain one bit. So, yeah, that is done. Another thing off the bucket list. So, next up is I want to start on building the couch and stuff that's going to go over here for our bed. So, that will be the next video here. So, and then from there, I'm not sure. We'll just see where it goes. But anyway, thank you so much again for watching my videos. I will check you all next time. If you have any comments, if you could drop them down below, that'd be great. And then we will see you all on my next video. Peace.